Hey guys, it's Larsen with Traveling Trainers, and today I wanted to share with you an exercise that I do with my clients using just a resistance band. It is a squat with a leg abduction. So you're going to start with both feet on your band, about hip width apart. Band placement is right under the arches of your feet. Bring your arms up. You're going to squat down. Bring that leg out to the side. You're going to do 10 on your left. Then you'll do 10 on your right. I'm going to move to the side so you can see what that looks like. Notice my leg movement is nice and controlled. And again, you're going to do 10 on each leg. I usually do them about 3 to 4 times through. For more tips and exercises, please visit travelingtrainers.com. Have a great day, guys.